So as you can see, we've pressed the dough in the bottom of the pan, and I was very careful to make sure that there are no holes. I don't want my fruit falling through the crust and laying on the bottom of the pan because I have to bake it. It'll stick and it might not unmold as well. Okay, so that's the bottom part. Now we have to create a wall around, just like a crust, if you would, okay? Now I take a little bit of dough at a time, I roll it through my hands, then I press it on the side. Okay, another little batch of dough. Right here. This is going to be my wall, so that when I put my fruit in, it's going to have some place to stand once we unmold it. These torts are outrageous. They're just the most amazing dough. Sometimes I have my kids come here and they've actually eaten the dough raw, which I wouldn't recommend, but it is fabulous.